Hi there, my name is Sal. I'm a project consultant here at Vancouver General Contractors. Our unique three-step approach will help bring your renovation dreams to reality. In the first step, the design phase, our team will take detailed measurements of your home and create a full 3D model so you can see what the final product will look like. From there, we will create a fixed price quote with a detailed scope of work and a full list of materials that will be used for your project so you can get the peace of mind knowing exactly what your project will look like and how much it will cost. In the second step, the planning phase, is where you'll work with one of our very talented interior designers. They will help you select all of your interior finishes, from flooring to countertops and everything in between. In this step, we'll also obtain any permits or necessary professional services for your project to get you ready for construction. The third step, the build phase, is where you will work with one of our dedicated project managers. They will ensure that all of the decisions you made in the design and plan phase are executed at the highest level, making sure your project is on time and on budget. Let Vancouver General Contractors take the stress and anxiety out of your next project. We look forward to working with you soon.